My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. This is gonna be an early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, like I said, early sneaker review. I've been coming. Listen, man. Listen. I have been giving y'all some early reviews, man. I know it ain't been like heat, but like an early review is an early review. I just gave y'all the Air Jordan 3 Noir, I think that's how it's pronounced. Gave you that, which actually drops today. I made up my mind about that. I'm going to go pick that up. And I gave y'all the Air Jordan 4. I gave you the Air Jordan 4 Olive. Yeah, Air Jordan 4 Craft Olive or Medium Olive, something like that, which drops on Saturday. I gave you those 2 early reviews, not to mention some other early reviews I did in the past. So listen, I'm just trying to give y'all some content. Listen, if it's 1 day, 1 hour, or 1 minute earlier than the initial drop, it still counts as early. So these actually, what I'm about to go show y'all now, drop November the 25th. So next Saturday. Yeah, next Saturday, if I want to say. So this is a whole week early. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this. We're gonna go. I'm gonna give a detailed look at the shoe, and then when I get back to the house, I'm gonna give y'all some information off of Nice Kicks or Kicks on Fire, or wherever I get my information from. I switch it up. So stay tuned for that. It is raining outside right now. Not pouring hard, so I love the rain, but when I'm in the house, I don't like driving in the rain. So I do have to go do this, and then I gotta go pick up classes from school, and that's pretty much it. Hit on home, and I give you some information. So stay tuned. About to go give y'all a detailed look of the shoe now, and I already gave y'all a hint. I mean, y'all see the thumbnail and y'all see the name, so y'all already know what shoe I'm talking about. But the hint was it come on next Saturday, so all you gotta do is just go look up Jordan calendar or whatever, see what comes on next Saturday. So, all right, stay tuned, and I'll be back soon. Yeah. Okay, as you can see right here, we got this box. I like this box. Got the orange Jumpman right there. It got some writing on it. It says, and you're of what could me, I don't even know. I don't even know. I mean, when I go back home and give y'all some information, I'll tell you exactly what it says on the box. But anyway, Air Jordan 3 Retro Night Stadium Total Orange, size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. I'm still on the fence about these though. Don't really know if I want it. Got that white paper right there. More writing on it. Like I said, when I get home, I'll tell y'all what it says. And without further ado, okay, we got the Air Jordan 3 Fear Pack. So like I said, we got the Air Jordan 3 Fear Pack. I don't know the exact date of these. Definitely when I get home, I'm gonna give y'all more information about these. I don't know how I feel about these. Jordan 3s are okay to me. Not really a fan of them too much. I'm more of a fan of Air Jordan 4s. As you can see, we got that kind of elephant print right there going around the back. That bright orange, crimson orange Jumpman and Air on the back. And on the eyelids right there. Jumpman on the tongue. There, got the little, there, this that ashy brown. This is, I think it's a, I want to say nubuck, kind of like a nubuck material maybe. I could be wrong, could be suede. Not really too familiar with that. Going around the toe cap, more of that elephant print. And the midsole is white. Got some gray right there with some speckles, black speckles going around the back. Oops, dropped it. I'm always dropping shit. On the back, we got all black bottom. More of that crimson bright orange Jordan right there. And this pod right there, orange. Black laces, black sock liner, black pull tab, of course. I don't really think it's some extra laces in the back. I could be wrong. I didn't really see none in the box. I think it's just these. Do I need them? No. Do I want them? Probably not. So, I mean, like I said, I'm on the fence about these. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about these. If y'all think this is a good cop or if it's just a drop. I gotta give y'all some more information about this. Like I said, like I always do in these early sneaker reviews, I just want to give y'all a detailed look of the shoe. And then when I get back home, I'll give you a detailed information like release date, price. It says Fear Pack. When I looked on StockX, it was called the Fear Pack. So that makes me think it's another shoe coming with it. Not in exact packaging, but like, you know, combination with it. So we're going to see when I get back. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Cop or drop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty basic shoe. I grade it when I get home too, like 1 to 10. You know what I do it right now? He's probably gonna be like a 6 to me. These not nothing special. They 3s, that bright orange. If these dropped in October around Halloween time, I would get it. But I would understand. But right now, this is almost the end of November. Thanksgiving next week. Christmas is a couple weeks, a month away. I don't know how I feel about this Jordan brand right now. But anyway, let's get back to the crib so I can give y'all some proper information about this. Stay tuned. All right, I'm home. As you can see, I'm back. So now it's time for me to give y'all some information, some legit information. But before I give you that legit information, let me just show y'all this. This is another reason, besides giving y'all that early review of the Air Jordan 3 Fear, which I was calling it the Fear Pack, and I'll explain that in a bit. But this is the Air Jordan 3 Off Noir, or like that. So if you want to see the my early review I did for this, it will be up there right now. It'll be right there. Like I said, I did that like 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. So it'll be up there. I already gave y'all a look at this. Like I said, I already have a review for this up, so I'm not going to do this too much. Like, I'm just going to show y'all, I mean, again, right there like that. So I mean I like this shoe. I like this shoe. Size 10, yeah, which is 8.5 men. So yeah. So again, if you want to go check out that review, it'll be right there at the top right. All right. So I was calling this Fear Pack, and that's because when I googled the name before I did the little early review, it was coming up Fear Pack. I just googled Air Jordan 3 orange because it was like orange accents of it, and the Fear Pack came back. So I didn't even know that this is a re-release. So again, I'm gonna give you information right now. This is off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It should be up right now, right there. It reads, for the untitled, no, I'm sorry. 2023 marks the 10th anniversary of the Fear Pack. So 10 years ago, the original Fear Pack came out. And while it's highly unlikely we'll see the entire collection return before the end of the year, we'll at least be able to get our hands on the Air Jordan 3 later this November. Okay, so now leading to the next, it's talking about the Air Jordan 3 Fear Pack made its debut back in August of 2023, accompanying not only an Air Jordan 4, but also an Air Jordan 5. So this pack consists of 3, 4, and 5. I did not know that. That's why I was calling. So this is just going to be called the Air Jordan 3 Fear. This is part of the Fear Pack. Remembering the Be Legendary marketing campaign that aired in 2008, all 3 pairs borrowed MJ's own words, "I'm scared of what I won't become." And I'm guessing that's what it said on the box. Remember, I couldn't make out what was on the box, but that's what it said on the box. "I'm scared of what I won't become." Printing the iconic quote right atop their insoles, and throughout originally central to the colorway, this detail is seemingly removed for the Air Jordan 3's upcoming retro. So that was on top of the insoles. This won't be on top of that won't be on top of this re-release of it. Instead, the sock line is dressed predominantly in black and stamped with an orange Jumpman logo. Thankfully, the exterior is largely faithful to the OG, boosted Nike Stadium, total orange, flat pewter, and the like. Yeah, and still, and that's it has some more pictures. I don't know where they go at, but oh, there you go. Some more pictures of it. I mean, it's an okay shoe. I don't really think it's a bad shoe. I mean, I don't know if. Oh, let me take this down. I don't know if. 1 second. Hello. Yeah, I'm actually doing my video right now. All right. I only get phone calls and text messages when I do videos. I say this all the time in all of my videos because it happens only when I do my videos. I gotta start turning I don't want to turn my phone on airplane mode because I got kids and I got family and I don't want. Emergency might happen. Like I don't know. Anyway, as far as the Fear, the Air Jordan 3 Fear, I'm on the fence about it. I don't know. I don't. I mean, it's not an ugly shoe, but like. Do I need another black? I mean, listen. If you look at this, the Fear, and you look at this, it's basically the same shoe, just got orange in it. That's all. It's basically the same shoe. So do I need and I like this shoe. Do I need another Air Jordan 3? I mean, if I did wind up getting it, it would be because of the orange accent. So like I can wear fit with it, some orange. But I have the Jordan 13s that I haven't even wore yet, which is orange and white and black, predominantly white though. I don't know. Like it comes out November 25th. Oh, I didn't give out a retail price. Retail price is $210 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, $210. November the 25th, which is next Saturday. I don't know. Y'all do get the early review, so I mean, we'll see by next week how I feel about it. But at this exact moment, I'm on the fence about it, so I don't know. But y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a cop, if that is a cop or drop. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time you post new content, you'll be notified. My Air Jordan, my early review for the Air Jordan 4 medium olive will be at the end of this video. You want to go check that out too. And you can always just check out my other videos also that's on the channel. From me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.